Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to maintain your box braids. I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my hair, how I dry it, and some tips, as well as getting in some moisture into your hair, and how to sleep with braids because a lot of people struggle with that part. Once you know what you're doing, it's pretty simple to maintain them. They're very low maintenance. Obviously, it's not as much as taking care of curly hair. So this is kind of a break for your hair. And not to mention, it helps your hair grow. This is actually my third time getting braids and I absolutely love it so much. So I've had the braids in for a month and a half already, so it's almost time to take them out, but I wanted to do this video before I take them out. My next video of braids would probably be me taking them out. Which is sad, but it has to be done because I do miss my curls. Enough rambling, let's get into the video.
So to wash my braids, I'll be using the Can 2 apple cider vinegar root rinse. I love using this because of the nozzle, which makes it easy to apply the product on the scalp. I make sure to apply that all throughout my roots and massage my scalp using my fingertips, not my nails. You can feel it working because it leaves your scalp with that tingling feeling. Make sure you're cleaning your edges as well. Now to rinse it off, I like to start off by lifting my braids and getting the roots first. That way the shampoo doesn't run through the braids. Once I think I rinsed most of it out, then I go ahead and rinse my whole head. Then I go ahead and squeeze the water out so I can get it ready for conditioner. I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner. I'm applying it mostly at the top of my head and raking it through the braids, focusing on where my real hair is. Then I'm just going to rinse it out like normal and squeeze out as much water as I can. Once I finish washing my braids, I like to tie it up into a low ponytail. To keep my hair from dripping all over the floor, I take a microfiber towel or a t-shirt and wrap it around my braids, making sure the ends are tucked in. Then I secure it using a hair tie and I'm good to go.
Alright, so I'm out of the shower now and I went ahead and did my edges and my makeup, and the whole time I had the towel on. So we can go ahead and take that off right now. Alright, so it's still a little damp. So now we're gonna go in with our diffuser and just speed up the drying process a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I blow dried my hair a little bit. It's still a little damp when you touch it, but it's not dripping wet, so that's okay. Usually I just let it air dry throughout the day and then it's good to go. So once I air dry and all that, I like to go in with this spray right here. This spray is the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Sheen, and it just helps to add shine to your hair and it smells so good. This is like perfume for your hair. So I just spray that all over my hair, focusing more on the roots. Get it on the ends as well, but try to focus it more where your real hair is, because that's what needs it the most, because our real hair is in the braids. We need to make sure that our real hair is still getting the moisture that it needs while it's in the braids. So once I spray that in my hair is pretty much all set. It's nice and shiny. and clean. So yeah, taking care of braids is pretty easy as long as you know what you're doing. You just have to make sure you wash it at least once a week and make sure you're keeping it hydrated. So when it comes to sleeping with your braids, a lot of people aren't sure exactly how to go about doing that. So what I like to do is I like to sleep with a satin pillowcase. I do that with or without braids because it's very good for your hair. There's no rubbing on your hair or anything, so it's very protective. And I also like to use a satin scarf, so I'll show you how to do that right now. Alright, so I have this satin scarf right here. This one is from the Cantu line. You can get it at Target. That's the only place that I've seen it at before, but you can probably get it at maybe Walmart too, but I got mine from Target. And it's just this maroon color, and as you can see, it's a satin. So what I like to do is I just put it right on top of my head like this. And then make sure that you cover your edges as well because you want that to be protected. So I took it behind my ear and then I grabbed both ends and then I put it right underneath all of my braids, cross it, and then I bring it to the top and then just tie a knot like that. And then I don't like these pieces to be sticking out, so I just tuck it in like that. And that's pretty much it. I look like a genie, but you know, no one's gonna see you when you're sleeping. Just kind of vibe. It kind of looks cute right now. The hoops. This is a good Halloween costume. Just think about that right now. That's how I sleep, as well with the satin pillowcase, and your braids will be beautiful. But if your actual hair, if your hair is a little bit longer, you might want to maybe get another satin scarf, just wrap it around the end of your hair and like secure it with some elastics, just so your hair doesn't like stick out. I haven't really been doing that. My hair is sticking out like this right here, but I've had my braids for a while now, so it's okay. I don't mind the frizz. It looks more natural like that. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to comment them down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. I know it's been a while since I filmed a video, but thank you guys so much for still supporting my channel and continuing to watch my videos even though it's been a long time since I've posted. I am filming a video right after this, so you guys are gonna have 2 videos back to back. It feels so good to be back on the YouTube grind. Also, feel free to comment down below any video ideas you guys want to see from me and I'll be happy to do them. I do need some video ideas. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!